Hi there, this is Monkey from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Life Hack. And I'm on the homepage. I really like that you're informed about your free international shipping at the top promo bar, which is fantastic. Top navigation is very user friendly. I love that your sliding images are very clear and high quality. I understand that you are selling pet cleaner. So you've got a link to the product page. So this is fantastic. It will be much better for your conversion rate if you show the actual product in the photo as well, because people will have better idea how it looks like, and it will help you build the report and obviously boost your conversion rate. Okay, so I can see you've got. Okay, so I thought it's the carpet cleaner because obviously the carpet is dirty here, and the cat was sitting also on the carpet, but it's a paw cleaner. Okay, so it's okay, so it's better to understand. It's clear now. So automatic paw washing linked to the product page as well. So that's fantastic. Okay, so another view of the product, also the video. Okay, let's have a look at the video. The video was very informative. It showed how your product works, so that was very useful. I like that it's on a home page. It's very user friendly and definitely helps you convert better. Remember to open those social media links in your tab so you don't lose valuable traffic from your website. The product page looks great. I like that it's showing your product image clearly, how to use it. I would optimize the above the fold, so the add to cart is displayed above the fold so people don't have to scroll down. Above the fold is the area without scrolling down. It's usually the best conversion area on any website, so make sure to display add to cart. People can buy easily without the need to scroll down. You can optimize it by reducing the size of the font or moving the shipping calculates at the checkout below. I could also suggest you removing it completely because you mentioned that you offer free international shipping. So mentioning that the shipping is calculated at the checkout can be a little bit confusing, which can affect sales because people won't know if they might find additional charges once they go to the checkout. So make sure to be clear and consistent with this kind of information. Your shipping policy is very informative, very user friendly. You inform about the length of the delivery to certain locations, which is absolutely perfect. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you'd like more information about anything mentioned in this critique, please book a free chat to speak to our Shopify expert, ask any questions on how to optimize your website and how to get more traffic from Google. Book a free chat. The link is in the email, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.